This is the second annual Work Out of Darkness event. It took place for the first time in 2016, and we're here in 2017, hopefully, back and bigger and better than ever. So this year it's really a partnership between the Live Well program, which is Fairfax County government's employee and retiree well-being program, as well as fire and rescue, and the police and sheriff's departments. And it's really a joint effort, it's complete collaboration to raise awareness around mental well-being and to raise funds and awareness for suicide prevention through the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. So the Work Out of Darkness is a 24-hour event. It is modeled after some of the Walk Out of Darkness events. We are kind of partnering and closely related to that event through the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. And so the goal is to have at least one, if not hopefully more, participants every hour for 24 hours to raise awareness about suicide prevention and to tie into our theme of moving beyond the darkness and really trying to shed light on some of the mental well-being topics.
So what we've done is we've teamed up with the Walk Out of Darkness, and the night before the Walk Out of Darkness we hold a Work Out of Darkness event. And what we do is we bring our mobile TRX trailer to the government center, and from 8 in the morning on Friday till 8 in the morning on Saturday, right before the walk starts, we hold a 24-hour workout event. And this is just bringing awareness to suicide prevention and as well as to address some behavioral health issues.
All of the donations that are raised today go towards supporting local suicide prevention efforts here in the Fairfax and DC area. And anyone can donate to the cause. They can donate through AFSP, the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. It's afsp.org. And all donations will go towards local efforts.